guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be showing you my updated living room tour, and I'm going to start from this side. So on this side we have plants, a real one and a fake one. The real one is the snake plant and the fake one is the Montessori plant. I got the snake plant along North Airport Road, and the Montessori plant I got it from Home Decor 254. So the plants are sitting on these stools that I custom made for about 1,000 shillings. Okay, so from the plants we have a TV stand. So I custom made this TV stand from a previous wardrobe I had. So on the TV stand we have a candle holder and a candle that I got from House of Leather for 500 shillings. We also have some books, just random books. And then on this other side we have this gold decorative piece that I got from House of Leather for 1,000 shillings, but right now they're going for 300 shillings. I also have a candle from Afroma. Afroma candles smell so heavenly, guys. And on this other side I have a candle as well from Afroma, and I also have this gold decorative piece that I used to put my coins. Alright guys, so next to the TV stand I have this plant that I got from Tax Store some time back. It is going for 4,500 shillings. I absolutely love this plant because it's such a tall plant. It can stand on its own without using a stool. It also comes with a pot on its own. Yeah, so that's a plus for that plant. Alright guys, so moving on, I got this sofa from a lady which I cannot recommend because she gave me a really hard time. And for the pillows and the covers, I got them from Smart Lady Home, and some I got from Home Decor 254. So the price range for pillows and pillow covers from Smart Lady Home is 350 going up, just in case you're interested. So I forgot to mention, but the two fur pillows, that is the cream one and the grey one, I got them from House of Leather and they were going for 1,500 shillings. So most of the items in this living room are from my old living room tour, as you guys can see. So the only things that I added is the blue and white theme in this living room. Other than that, they're the same old things. Okay. So this is my absolutely favorite piece of decor in my living room. I think even love is understatement. I love this piece, you guys. I got it from Furniture Palace. I can't really remember the price, but it was quite pricey. But I absolutely love this piece, yo. This will not have qualified as a living room tour without a palm tree, or like palm trees. I live for the palm trees. I absolutely love palm trees. Yeah, so I got this palm tree along North Airport Road for 500 shillings. You guys already showed me the plug, the plug for cheap plants. So if you're interested in plants, please go to North Airport Road. That guy is the best. His name is John. I'll try and leave his number in the description box just in case you're interested, okay? Yeah. Alright, good people, so for the curtains, I got them from Isli. If you have never been to Isli, I don't know where you buy your curtains from, because Isli is the plug, the plug for cheap curtains. So my curtains, these actually are not curtains, these are shears. They are going for 350 shillings per meter, and I think I got 3.5 meters each. So at night I just overlay them, and literally cannot see anything from the outside, okay? So if you're an OG here on my channel, I'm sure you know where I get my decor books. Okay, I got my decor books from Home Decor 254. They were going for 950 shillings each, but I think right now they've reduced their price. I think they're going for 850 shillings each. I'm not really sure though. I also got my candle holder from them. It was going for 1,000 shillings, and I got my candle from House of Leather for 1,000 shillings as well. Okay, so these are floating shells, and I custom made them. So on the floating shells, I have a few decorative pieces. So most of the things I got from House of Leather, that is the 2 ceramic vases, the green plant that you've seen, the 2 large frames, as well as the flowers. I can't quite remember the prices because it's been a long time. And then the 3 small frames I got from Home Decor 254. They're going for 600 shillings each. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.